multiplying, multiplying by 25s. You need to think of 1/4. Divide by 4 times 100, or add 2 zeros at the end. Example 1, 25 times 48. Step 1, divide by 4. (48) divided by 4 is 12. Step 2, multiply by 100. So 100 times 12 is 1200, which that is my answer. Example 2, $5.40 times 25. When you deal with money, you have to make sure you put the decimal in the 0 zeros. Step 1, multiply. By 100. So 100 times 5.40 is 540. Step 2, divide by 4. 540 divided by 4 is $135. Don't forget your decimal and 0 zeros because we're dealing with money. You try. $25 times $9.60. 25 times 328. 25 times 4,800. 25 times 888. 25 times 248. 25 times 568.